Hey everyone, it is Saturday and we are going to go camping this evening. This is our first go in the new trailer, so it's pretty exciting. Had the propane going for the fridge all night, so that should be pre-cooled, and we plan on just getting our groceries when we get to that town. And what else? Van's all loaded up. We got air in the bags, so it's nice and level. This thing tows really nice. And yeah, so I guess I'll show you guys when we get there. We just stopped at this Truckers Inn restaurant. Delicious food and really fast. So we just have to make our stop at Wally World now for our food, and then we're there. So let's get to it. Yeah, it's a butterfly. Do you like that? It's a literal butterfly. Alright. We just went and played in the playground to wear out Buggy. And we got the grill going. We're going to cook up some burgers and better with cheddar brats. We got the heat going in there. Rose is pretty tired today, so she's been a little fussy, but overall it's been really fun. Just have to get the fire going. Cooking some bacon cheddar burgers, and then for Rose some better with cheddar. And we're going to add some extra cheese to those burgers because it's delicious. And I got the fire going. We normally strike out with the firewood. It's normally really wet, but this is actually some dry stuff, so that's awesome. Throw it in there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Right in there. Put it on there.
No.
Want me to do it? Good job. That's good enough.
No. 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 No.
It's yummy. Yummy.
Cute.
She did good?
Yeah, and she looks so cozy.
Oh yeah, she's true. You see her here. Her head's on a pillow. Well, it's the first time ever sleeping in the camper.
I hope she does good.
Okay everyone, it's getting a little late, so we're just getting ready for bed. That LED light on the front of that thing is pretty bright. Got the fire going. It's been a nice night though. Okay, so last night was a success. Rose got up at like 6:45, and she's just we're just going on a walk wherever she wants to go this morning. So, all right.
Wow. Yeah.
Alright everyone, we're packing everything up. We're going to stop at the dollar store on the way home. But it's been a really fun trial, and I'm excited to go camping some more. We are packed up and all set to go.